So welcome to a very interesting topic because not all of us were brought up understanding meters and centimeters and kilometers and so on. A lot of us are still working in the feet and inches era. And it's important that when you're looking at purchasing a property off the plan, for example, and they give you all the measurements in the metric system, which is centimeters and meters, you don't want to get confused when you're looking at a bedroom and thinking, what size is that really? What size is that lounge room? Because if it's not the same way that you think of size, you might be making one big mistake. So the idea here is I'm going to show you a very, very quick and easy way to picture how to convert meters into feet so that you will become an absolute champion at this in an instant. Let's have a look. First of all, there's a lot of confusion about the word metre. It's spelt in two ways. M-E-T-R-E, that is the British spelling. Then you have M-E-T-E-R, that's the American spelling. Is there any difference between the two? No. 1 metre, R-E, is still 1 metre, E-R. No difference. Visually, 1 metre is equivalent to 39.37 inches. Embed that picture into your mind. 1 metre is equivalent to just under 40 inches. Now, how many feet are there in a metre? Well, first of all, what's 1 foot? What does it mean when you look at 1 foot? 1 foot is simply 12 inches. So how many of these fit into 1 metre? So let's get a good visual on this. How many feet are there in 1 metre? 1 metre, we know, equals 3.28 feet. But it's very hard to visualize this, so let's just put it into a picture format. Here we go. 1 metre equals 3.28 feet. Here's 3.28 feet. Remember, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches or 30 centimeters. So let's measure this up. Let's go over here. 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, and 0.28 of a foot. So there you have it. 1 metre equals 123.28 feet. And that's how, so every time you see 1 metre, just visualize just over 3 feet. And that's how you're going to work out things instantly when you're looking at a floor plan. We know that 1 metre equals 3.28 feet. So 10 times that, or 10 meters, equals 10 times 3.28 feet, which is 32.8 feet, or nearly 33 feet. So if you're looking at a floor plan and it says it's 10 meters, just forget about the 0.28 for a second and just multiply 10 by 3. And you get 30 feet. So you'll know 10 meters in this, the width of this room is around 30 to 33 feet. If you want to be exact, it's 32.8 feet. And that's how we convert meters into feet. And if we go back to the beginning, now you know how many feet there are in 1 meter.